Now the question before us is the taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8 and for the subsequent distance, it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and the total fare as rupees y, write a linear equation for this information and draw its graph. We will understand this question with the help of a picture. Let us see what happens. Suppose this is the total distance from here to here. It is x kilometer. Okay. This point to this point, it is x kilometer. Now, what is next given? Fare for first kilometer, it is rupees 8. Suppose this is the first kilometer, 1 kilometer. What is the rate? Here the rate is from here to here, it is rupees 5 per kilometer. 8 rupees 8 for the first kilometer, it is rupees 8. Then for the subsequent distance, that is from here to onward, what is the rate? It is rupees 5. It is also given that overall the rate or the total fare is rupees y. Here the total distance x. We hope you have understood that the total distance x kilometer. For the first kilometer, the rate fare is 8 kilometer, and after that, whatever distance is covered, the rate charged is rupees 5 per kilometer. Now we will write it here. What is given first? Total fare, total distance. Total distance is x kilometer. Total fare y. Now what is given? Fare for first kilometer. First kilometer, it is rupees 8. Fare for subsequent distance, that is after 1 kilometer, the rate is rupee 5 per kilometer. So what we have here arrived at, that if total distance is x kilometer, here we have find out that the total distance is x kilometer, then distance covered after 1 kilometer. How many distance has been covered after 1 kilometer? It is x minus 1. From here to here, it is x minus 1, because total is x. If we deduct 1 kilometer from x, it will be x minus 1 kilometer. That is, we can say that fare for distance covered after 1 kilometer. From here to here, whatever distance is covered, what is the fare charge? The fare charge will be the rate into distance traveled. What is the rate after 1 kilometer? It is 5. And what is the distance after 1 kilometer? It is x minus 1. Now what is it will be? 5x minus 5. So now according to the question, what is given? Total fare is equal to fare for first kilometer plus fare for distance after 1 kilometer. Here what is the total fare? It is given y. What is the fare for first kilometer? It is only 8. And what is the fare of for distance after 1 kilometer? It is here it is given, which we have arrived at 5x minus 5. So on the basis of this, we can say that y is equal to 8 minus 5, 3, 5x plus 3. Here we have arrived at the equation. Now we will solve this equation. What is we have arrived at? Y is equal to 5x plus 3. Okay, we have arrived at this equation. Now we will solve this equation. How? We will fill in the values of, assume the values of x and y. Here we will form a graph. To form the graph, we will have to draw at least two solutions. That is, we have to find the values of x and y on 2 points, so that we can draw 2 points on the graph. So this is the equation. Now we will solve the equation. How? When suppose we let that x is 0, what will happen? The equation is y is equal to 5x plus 3. What will be formed? 5 into 0 plus 3, value of y will be 3. So when x is 0, value of y is 3. Now when we let y is equal to 0, what will happen? Y is equal to, this is the equation, 0 is equal to 5x plus 3, or in other words we can say that 5x is equal to minus 3, because 3 will go to the other side and it will become minus, and x will be is equal to minus 3 over 5. We can also write it as 0.6, minus 0.6, minus 0.6. So now what is the value of g here? Minus 0.6. What is the value of y? It is 0. Now the points which are to be plotted on this are 0, 3. Here it is the value of x, it is the value of y. And what is the another solution? Minus 0.6, 0. It is the another solution. And on the basis of these two solutions, we will now draw the graph. Now let us see how we form the graph. Y-axis, x-axis, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, -2, -3, -4, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Now what we will do? We will put in the values of x and y to find out the points to be plotted. Now the first point is where value of x is 0, here value of x is 0, y value is 3. This is the first point. Where value of x is 0, value of y is 3. This is the first point. Now we come to the next point, which will be minus 0.6. That is, it will be somewhat here. Minus 0.6. It will be here. And what is the value of y? It is 0. That is, the point will be lie somewhat here, where x is minus 0.6 and the value of y is 0. So we will now join both these 2 points. You can draw this straight line because I am unable to join the same in the correct manner. You have to join these 2 points and draw a straight line. Here we will also write the equation y is equal to 5x plus 3. We have here drawn this solution. We have also mentioned here minus 0.60. So here we have formed the graph on the basis of the solutions which we had arrived at. We hope you have understood the question in a very simple manner. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.